Hey guys, this is a quick video on how to export and import products. So really quick, whenever you're making a store and it's a company that sells hair products, or if they sell lashes, it's a lot faster to just import this file into the store. So what I did was create dummy products for you guys to import right into a new store that you create if they sell hair or lashes. So it's really simple. All you're doing is you're in the back office, you just select products, you select export, you select all products, you click export. All right, so the export file will download right to your computer. So I click export. All right, and then it'll send you an email to your computer, and then you'll just download the file. So if you're not an admin on the store, it won't send you the file. So make sure that you're an admin. So right now I have a few different admins on the store. So if I click account, I can see the people who have access to the store right now, right? So you have to have access to this to receive that email. Then once you receive the email that comes to you, you will go to your email. It'll be the most recent email that you received. I didn't receive it, but because mine is a little bit different. So I would basically just click, because I'm not logged into the email, but it would save the file. I would click download. The file would download. And then I'll go into the new store that I'm creating. So let's say this is the new store, right? And then I'll go to products, and then I would just select import. So I've already exported it. Now I'll select import. I'll click add file, and then I'll basically double click the most recent product export. I'll select the most recent product export and then import it. Now I'll select overwrite any current products that have the same handle. So I'll click that just to overwrite it. I'll click upload and continue. I'll click upload and continue. And then it'll tell me the description, where the products are coming from, etc. I'll click import. We're currently importing all of your products into your store, and you're done. So this is a faster way than creating 4 different products every time for hair. So this just makes your life easier. Once you export it, you don't have to export it every time from hair pictures, because it will already be saved in your computer. You just have to export it one time, and then you can import it easily every time after that. All right. So this is just gonna everything's gonna import in, and that's it. End of the video.